Hey, what's up guys? За ингээд өглөөний мэнд. Тэгээд яг одоо өглөөний 8 цаг 10 минут болж байна. Тэгээд хичээлдээ явах цаг болсон байна. Тэгээд өнөөдөр хэдүүлээ бүр саунаа зөө. Яаж байгаа вэ гэхээр та нар төсөөлөхгүй дээ. Энэгээр нөхдүүд монгол хэлийг амар хэцүү хэлгээд байдаг байхгүй. Харжлаа өнөөдөр яг хэр хэцүү гэх. So see you. Hello guys. So today I made some like experiment, which is I named it like it's Mongolian is that's so hard to pronounce. For rain, not for me. So today I asked from some friends to read some Mongolian sentences and words for me. So we'll see how they pronounce and how they read that. Okay, so let's see. Alright, bro, introduce yourself to my friends.
Hey, what's going on, people? My name is Paul. I am from America. And just to let you know, I'm doing this for my boy right here, so don't take any offense to this, because I don't know what I'm saying.
Alright.
Yeah.
My boy gonna start the Mongolian sentences.
Alright. Sanu Namek Paul Idig. Bichan hashtag. Alishu mini ball we cook. Zulaball chill digging. Yes, I'm the best.
Alright, thanks bro.
Peace, and I love all you guys. I'm just reading this for him. Don't take no offense.
No offense. He really doesn't know what he's saying.
I know.
Alright, see you guys, bye.
I'm from Italy. I'm 23 years old. Sayo namak Jessico Dege. Alishu.
A little bit aggressive.
Alishu.
Yes.
Mini boy who?
You all cook.
Mini boy who?
Yes. Suck my dick.
Чиним은 намайг хүсэх банав. Mini aras hi who?
Okay.
Chi mini aras hi hu.
Bi haluha shoot.
Bi haloha shu.
Oh yeah, you're the hot. Okay, thanks Jessica.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lucas and I'm from Czech Republic in Europe. And today I will speak in Mongolian, or I just tried. So, Senu Namek Lucas Gedek di Champete Ali Shu Mini Bovin Ho Tula Bol Silde Ne.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks man.
Hi, my name is Joey. I'm from Laos. Sano, Namek, Joey, Kidik, Bisam, hashtag, Alishu, Mini, Wobik, Jeweler, Walk, Sitik, It.
Alright, thanks man. Welcome back guys. This is Chinara.
Salam, adım Çınar'a. Hello, my name is Chinara. I'm from Azerbaijan. So
Okay, now you need to read
Yeah.
those.
Haritashu, yeah, Namek, Çınar'a gedek, Çi Namek, Husic Bano. It's like question.
Chi mini aras hi hu.
Mini aras hihu. Bi haluha shu.
B haloha shu.
Okay.
Thank God we have same like a sounds. I don't know. I just tried.
Okay. Thank you, Chinara.
Moi c'est Benny, je viens du Congo. J'ai grandi plus en Afrique du Sud.
Hola, me llamo Omega. Yo soy de los Estados Unidos, de US, y soy de Georgia en específico.
So today guys we shall try the Mongolian hold. Sanwu namega Benny Gedek.
Saúl, Nameg Omega, Gedeg.
Bishanu Hatwa.
Bijan Hatay.
Yes.
Ali
Alishu.
That you, that's for
Ali
you.
Shu
Yes.
Both of those are for you.
Mini Ball Shwaha.
Mini Power Cook.
Bini Ball Cook.
Yeah.
Zula Bol Shedegne.
Yes, I'm the best.
Bula Zol Shedegne. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, guys.
Ciao, mio nome è Ferdinando, sono italiano e shall I say why China as well?
Why not?
Ok, but in Italian?
Yeah.
Ok, sono in Cina per studiare il cinese perché sono interessato nella cultura cinese, questo fantastico mondo che ci avvolge e soprattutto per i soldi perché sappiamo che comunque la Cina è solo un pozzo di denaro. Non sono razzista né niente, però purtroppo è così che la vita ci porta. Comunque sì, sono ancora uno studente, ho 22 anni, fumo, cerco di smettere. Cos'altro? E questo ragazzo oggi mi ha chiesto di parlare il mongolese. Quindi per questa ragione cerchiamo di capire insomma come suona il mongolese nella mia italiana bocca. Okay, how foreign you say Mongolian words and sentences? Is this really so hard? Probably, okay?
Okay.
So let's see. Okay, Sen-u Namaig Ferdinando Gedeg. So my name is Ferdinando. Be chomed. You write like shit, you're not that man.
Yeah,
You
be
know,
charmed
okay,
hashtag.
Be chan hartai.
Yeah.
Okay. Ali shu mini body ho.
Mini Power Cook.
Mini body who. Mini body who. Mini body who. Mini body.
Alright.
Okay.
That's
okay,
good, that's
fine.
good.
Zula bo sheldegne. Zula bo sheldegne.
Yes,
right?
I'm the best, right?
Okay, you're the best, baby.
Alright. Thanks for your help. Ciao.
Bye, guys.
Hello, my name is Chang Woo. I'm Jula's friend. I'm from South Korea and I'm studying in China. Sainu Namai Changu Gadek.
Yes.
Bicham Hashtag
Yes, you're welcome.
Alishu Mini Boy Ho. Oh my god. Yeah.
So, in my opinion, as a result of today's experiment, I find the Mongolian is not that so hard to pronounce. So, everyone can speak Mongolian. Yeah!